Totoo lang, nakiting. I will resign.
Nani?
Totoo lang, nakiting. I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. Hindi talaga, hindi ko pipigilan yan. Kung anak ko, kung totoo. Ngayon, yung narration dito hindi ko kilala itong taong to, forgot his name. Your Honor, if there is an iota of truth, ayuta lang, baski kunti lang. You can find out, may nilagay siya ng record. Now, I'm willing to execute an affidavit or kayo na lang to summon the banks pursuant to my waiver. Kung may totoo lang maski isa, I will hang myself in front of you. You can summon, I will sign a waiver, all banks. Pati yung World Bank ng Amerika. Kung may isang totoo lang, nakiting, I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. That is my guarantee. And I will hang myself.
Be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong galunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sabi